So, hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to see about ServiceNow Discovery and ITOM a live demo. Yeah. So today we're going to see about the exciting topic, and for this, for making this, for just, you have to work on it your incident. Sorry, you're in your PDA. So for that, you have to add a plugin called you have to activate a plugin which is it is not a default plugin which is come with ServiceNow. So you have to activate that plugin. Let me show what the plugin is. So for that you have to activate let me search. Right, I have already installed it, so I'm going here. See, you have to download, sorry, you have to install and activate this plugins, which is patterns, pattern design and enhancement, ServiceNow ITOM slash OTSU licensing, and CMDB workspace, and ITOM Discovery license, and ITOM guided setup. So these are all the which is ITOM plugins we have to install and make it as a active. And apart from that, yeah, see, you have to activate the mid server and platform analytical content pack discovery, and the discovery admin workspace, and pattern design enhancement, that is I have said previously, and which is a discovery admin workspace. So you have to activate these are all the thing which is these are all the plugins. And if you activate it, also you have to activate the C class manager. See, CMDB CA class model, and so this should be installed, and it takes about 3 to 4 hours to install and update in your instance. So make that note, it takes too much time to install and update in your instance. So yeah, so let's to wait for a while. We'll dive into the just discovery. So yeah, this is a discovery home. Discovery result homepage .to. Yes, it's right. So as of now, I doesn't done any discovery yet. So let me dive into the mid servers. So these are all the mid servers I have in my PDI, and so let me show how to make this mid server run. Accessible. Okay, this one. Yeah, let me start it. You have to use your VMware, and it should have minimum of 8 GB or 18 16 GB is much more usable. Wait. Yep. Okay, you have to go to input keyboard, press Control Alt Delete. Come with an C SASMate or administrator. Meantime, I don't know the password. Let me give a password. Okay. So yes, at last I got my uh, my my username and password. So now our Windows server is running. Okay, me go to this. So yeah, let me go to this and I'm just opening this server. Okay, let me. Okay, it's currently is down. Valid. Um, okay, it's validate now. See the mid service being validated. It takes 1 or 2 minutes. See, it's still validating. It takes another 2 to 3 minutes for validating. Once it has been validated successfully, the status will be in up. Yeah, let me show it. So it takes much time. So don't wait for this, and we'll go on to that. So after installing the plugin, so let me walk through the main things in that discovery. So the discovery, this is a home page which gives we can able to give the we can able to see that how many CI have been discovered successfully and how many things has been got error, and if you want you can give a quick discovery from here itself, and so this is how it works. So if you go into, which is um, discovery admin workspace, here we can able to see the complete history of the discovery. So as of now there is no schedules, so let me show the schedules and how to get the diagnose. So as of now there is no diagnose, and no discovery has been uh, created yet. So because we have started now, and so this is why it's showing 000 for everything. And if we come here, it will be show the errors of the discovery. So this is how we can able to track the discovery things. Okay, yeah. So the home is all about this. And coming back to scheduling, just discovery schedules. So if you want, we can able to create a new schedule by, if we want, we can able to create a daily basis, or weekly basis, or monthly basis, or whatever on demand or anything. On demand in the sense, once a while, if you want to run in a manual thing. If we want to create on demand means we can able to create a schedule for whatever time we want, we can run it as it is. Yeah. So for this, mid server is important for that. So let me choose any mid server. Let me choose this, and make name it as discovery, and let me save it. even though if I run this discovery now, we can able to give a discovery now and we can able to do the discovery. So there is no IP range or need, there is no parameters has been given for the discovery. See, for the discovery you need IP ranges, right? So from which IP need to discover, which from which IP to which IP we need to discover, and that such things we need to mention clearly, right? So for this, there is no, as of now, we haven't done anything. So this is having quick discovery. We can able to give any kind of just we want. We can able to give it as what what kind of IP we need. We can able to give it as this, and we can choose the mid server here. Uh, there is no mid server because there is no active mid server. It's still in validating mode. See, still in the validate mode, so that's why it's not showing that. So we can give the discovery now. Yeah, so this is how we can able to give a quick discovery as well. And so apart from that, we have discovery status. Yeah, we can able to see the discovery status here. And we have the credentials. These are the basic credentials have been given by the service, which is ServiceNow, which is Windows and SNMP. So another thing is SSH, which is port 22, which is that is a credential of Linux OS based devices, and Windows is a Windows OS based devices, and SNMP is a device. It's not a computer or it's not a it's kind of a server. It is a device which is kind of switches, routers, and CMTAs, and like that. So these are the SNMP credentials are used to get the information from the devices like routers and such. And we know that with servers, we are already in that part. And apart from that, we can able to see the discovery logs, what are the discovery has been needed, what are the other devices have been just got the information, and apart from that, serial numbers just was a serial number and ECCQ. ECCQ is very important thing, which is which has been ready, which is it is a thing which is get the information from the mid server in ECCQ, which is it will give the commands as a props and gets the information from the server, and it should be come into that and it will be updated in this CMDB. Everything has been maintained by the ECCQ. Each one step has to be run. It should not be run at a time, right? It should be run accordingly, simultaneously, but uh, which should be completed one by one. So that will be completely taken by ECCQ. And the Shazam in status is a initial status, which is this is a first stage of a discovery, which checks the device's port, and it is that the port is open or not. Like that, the Shazam has been Shazam probes will be triggered, and apart from that, there is just yeah, I have said right, probes, sensors, and the patterns. Patterns are the discovery items, which is if for example, if the IP switch or IP router has been discovered from the network, um, uh, but ServiceNow don't know what is the which is services know that the device has been discovered, but which kind of device is that? So for that, it should be having some scripts, and it should be having so much of um, pattern, which is in that it has a blueprint of to finding the exact product. So this is how the pattern works. So apart from that, so for the discovery thing, this is how it works, which is initial stage is Shazam, and the next stage is um, just uh, picking the port, which is Shazam, and next going to classifying phase, and next is identifying phase, and last stage is exploring. First, it will find the ports are open, and second, it gather the basic information that is called classification, and third one is identification, and it identify the which kind of product and where should be uh, where the what kind of which table should be updated, and what is the CI should be updated in that, and the last stage it will be updated in the CI, which is CMDB CI. So this is how discovery actually works. So as of now, I have explained the basic term, and in the next video, I'll be showing how to do the discovery in our PDA. Okay, yeah, sure. So thank you for watching. Take care, tata, bye bye. See you on next video.